Wallpapering is a quick and easy way to completely transform your room. You may think wallpapering is difficult, but with the new pasted wall wallpaper, like that sourced by Alice from Guthrie Bowron, it's easy. Here's the process to hang pasted wall wallpaper. Before wallpapering, make sure you have a clean, dry surface with an even colour. Next, you mix the wallpaper sides together. Always make sure you read the instructions. We like to do this the night before to make sure it has time to dry on the wall. The next step is mixing up your wallpaper paste. Make sure you mix it consistently, always stirring, and get rid of any lumps before it settles. When we apply the first roll of wallpaper, we're always having a string line that we use as our base measurement, and from there we know each roll will also continue. Apply your paste on the wall. The great thing about the pasted wall wallpaper is you can put this straight on your wall, ready for your wallpaper. Now it's time to transform your room. Before you cut it, make sure there's an overhang at the top and the bottom. This allows a bit of room for movement up and down when you apply each roll. Applying wallpaper is much better with two people. Once you've hung your first piece of wallpaper, grab the wallpaper smoother. Starting from the inside, use the smoother to push any air bubbles out, making sure you have a nice smooth piece of wallpaper. If there's any excess glue, use a sponge to remove it. Take time with each sheet to make sure the pattern matches perfectly. Your wallpaper can stretch, so be careful, pay attention, and make sure it lines up consistently all the way down. Guthrie Bowron recommend at least 1 hour to hang each roll of wallpaper. Once the complete wall is hung, now we can trim the edges. With a long stroke ruler and a sharp Stanley knife, hold the ruler firm and cut down the length of the wallpaper. Remove the wallpaper slowly to make sure you don't tear it. The sharper the knife, the cleaner the cut looking. And just like that, your space can be transformed. It's quick, it's easy, and it's clean. Head to Guthrie Bowron, the decorating experts. Browse their range of amazing wallpapers and find the look that's perfect for you.